Hey everybody, and welcome to Brooks Hobby Shop. Well, I just want to give y'all a quick update here because obviously I didn't have a video ready for this weekend, but work on Maggie, our 1968 MAGNAVOX, is still progressing, and it's just turned into a job of work at this point, pretty time consuming, and that has interfered with me getting a video out this week. I'm going into checking the multi-cell electrolytics in Maggie, and that's taking a lot of time because around here, this one right here, and well, these two, this multi-cell and this single, they are buried up here. And it's going to take a lot of disconnecting and reconnecting just to get to these and thoroughly load test them. So, right now, that's currently what I'm doing. And the goal had to become to try to have a video ready for next weekend. And I still intend to do that. It will contain Maggie's first power-up, and I'm hoping, since the first power-up, which was part of the deleted part 10 video, since that one didn't go so well, I'm hoping to have a second power-up for y'all by next weekend, and you'll be able to see them both, you know, fingers crossed, in the same video. But I'm just having to take my time here because while multi-cell electrolytic capacitor design saved a lot of chassis space, having 3, 2, 3, and 4 cells all contained in the same unit, it preserved a lot of chassis space back when these televisions were built, but it poses a real service problem when they fail and have to be changed out. So I'm working on grading replacement parts, and I'm doing that for the second power-up I hope to have in next week's video. But it's just taking a lot of time, y'all. My 54-year-old eyes are not what they used to be, and when I get into working on, you know, up in really tight, close quarters like this, I have to check myself with every move. Plus the time that is spent diagramming everything. But both power-ups will be included, I hope, in next week's video. But there was just no way I could work conscientiously and have any video ready for y'all this week. Sometimes when we get into working on these real old televisions, it really just gets into time-consuming work. And Maggie is supposed to be a full-scale restoration, so I'm finding that I don't have in stock some of the electrolytics that she needs, and I'm having to go through and figure out how I'm going to improvise all of that. But, and we've had some snow here. We've had a little bit of snow. We had like 5 inches last year, but this time it was just enough to barely you know, provide just a little bit of ground cover, but less than an inch, really, this year. Just enough to make it look kind of pretty and wintry and, you know, inspire nostalgia for the season, if you will. But this is really about all I've got right now, y'all. I've got to divide my time between other responsibilities in the shop here. My mother is in her 80s and she's requiring care, and I'm having to divide my time between doing well for her and the shop here, so it's just taking a lot of time to get a video together here lately. Anyway, I hope you're all doing well, and in next week's video, hopefully, I plan for y'all to see both Maggie's first power-up and Maggie's second power-up, which I hope will go better. We didn't really have much on the first power-up, and I'm not satisfied with the way I did the first power-up, but you'll see all that, you know, when the video comes out next week. But in the meantime, rather than let this week go without posting anything, I just decided to give y'all a quick update. And that's what I'm working on here. Basically, testing and grading electrolytics, trying to load test what will be the temporary replacements I'll be using, because I would really like to see, you know, some real action from this chassis, you know, high voltage arrestor, some sound and everything before I go investing in what will be a pretty big investment, I'm thinking, in electrolytics for Maggie, which I don't mind doing because so far I've saved on tubes. I had the tubes that Maggie needed. I've had those, so all of our air tubes have been replaced and got all of that done, and this could have been a sizable investment for a lot of people out there, I understand, but fortunately I had replacements for all of these, so I haven't had to invest in tubes, but I am going to have to invest in electrolytics before this project is finally finished and done with. And it's just taking time, y'all. But I'm moving slowly and carefully and diagramming everything and carefully recording all of this for all of you to see it when the next video comes out. But in the meantime, I just wanted to go ahead and share this quick update with y'all to let y'all know why there was not a proper video from Brooks Hobby Shop this week. So in the meantime, y'all take care of each other, look in on those you love, and find a project to work with, because with everything else I've got going on in my life, my hobby here really sustains me. I've got to have an escape from the pressures of the world, and Maggie, with all of her problems right now, is it. When you can't when you can't fix other things in life, find something you can fix, and focus on what you can do when there's things you just can't help and can't do piling up. So that's about it for this one, y'all. Y'all take care of each other, and if all goes according to plan, there will be a video ready for next weekend here on Brooks Hobby Shop. We're out.